the movie Aakhir Gul talks about Nisha, who was a talented female who got married to Mr. Suri, who was Rakesh Roshan, and he seemed to be a flourishing businessman and rich, but he had one weakness, and that was woman. He was kind of womanizer, you can say, because he already had a woman in his life, even after marrying Nisha. And Nisha was devoted to her hubby, and she was unaware of his flirtatious ways. So he was also pretending to be very much devoted to his wife. And there came a time when Nisha delivered a baby, and she even had a cousin whose name was Indu, and Mr. Suri also had weakness for her. And when she had to deliver the baby, the doctor had advised her complete bed rest. So her so-called auntie's daughter was Indu. They were cousins, and that auntie sent Indu to look after her. But instead of looking after her, she was more involved with Mr. Suri. She had an eye for from the beginning she had some kind of weakness for him, and he also was drawn towards her. So she felt a bit insecure, Nisha. And then there came a time that friction was there between the couple, and she had to leave the premises. She was told to leave him, and even the baby. She was heartbroken, and even eventually divorce happened, and he remarried. He married Indu. And then she devoted her life to writing. She was very good in writing. She had the knack, and her pen was her greatest weapon. She wrote, she devoted her entire life in writing, and she became a very famous writer who was approached by many publishers who approached her, and they wanted her to give royalty, and her books were doing very well. And there came a time when Rajesh Khanna actually came in her life. He was instrumental in giving her courage when she was down, and he actually wanted to even tie the knot with her, but she was reluctant in the beginning because she was still in love with Suri. Not exactly in love, but she was still she took time to come out of her past, but he was the one who gave her strength, and eventually she accepted his offer. But the journey was quite tumultuous. She had to actually undergo a lot of pain, because she was separated even from her own daughter. And there came a time, see, destiny has its call. There came a time when Mr. Suri lost everything, and he had to approach her. He was oblivious of the fact that she's the same female, and he even had to actually plead her for getting royalty and all that stuff. And the God sees everything, and a woman, no matter, even if she is soft from outside, from exterior, she has a lot of strength inside. And this movie clearly shows that. She proved her mettle, and she actually showed the men, especially those men who felt that woman's beauty is only superficial, but there is something inside a woman's body that is called the inner core, which is the most beautiful thing. Even if she is not that attractive, if her inner core is full of substance, she is the one you can rely on. And she proved her worth, and she tied the knot with Rajesh Khanna and started her life afresh. This movie should be an eye-opener to all those women who feel that they are less when they are not with a man. 5 stars.